In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Wix, a simple process that helps you create a seamless browsing experience for your site visitors. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. Navigate to your website's homepage and click on the Edit Site button. This action brings you directly into the Wix editor, where you can manage and customize your website's features. Once you're there, take a moment to look around if you're not completely familiar with it yet. You'll find a range of editing tools on your left, giving you numerous options to adjust the look and feel of your site. Next, select the section or text that you want to link to another page. This might be a piece of text, a button, or any other element on your page that allows linking. Click on it to highlight or select it. This action will open up the properties of that element or piece of text. Keep in mind that linking is a great way to direct users to important information seamlessly. So choose elements that naturally suggest more information lies on another page. Now look for the link icon, which usually looks like a chain link or similar. Click this icon to begin the linking process. You'll notice a window pops up asking, which page? This is where you define the destination of the link you're about to create. Click on the Choose a Page option. This brings up a list of all the pages within your website. If your website has many pages, you might need to scroll through them to find the one you'd like to link to. Look through and select the page your link should lead to. Be sure to think about which page adds value and context for your users, enhancing their navigation and experience. After selecting the desired page, a button or option to finalize your choice typically appears. Click Done or Apply to confirm your changes. This action solidifies the link you've just created, ensuring it takes your users to the correct page when they interact with it. Don't forget to preview your changes before publishing them live on your site. This ensures everything looks and functions as intended, giving your visitors a smooth experience. By previewing, you can check all links are correctly configured and that the visual elements remain as you desire. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly create links to other pages on your Wix site. This can help you maintain a logical flow of information and provide users with a richer, more informative engagement with your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Wix tutorials to continue enhancing your web presence. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.